carbon budget? Carbon budget is like climate's bank account. It tells us how much carbon dioxide we can still emit into the atmosphere without causing dangerous levels of global warming. Scientists have calculated that to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, we can only emit a certain amount of carbon dioxide. Now, once we spend or emit that budget, we risk irreversible damage like rising sea levels, extreme weather, and ecosystem collapse. For example, to stay under 1.5 degree warming, the world's carbon budget from 2020 onward is about 400 to 500 billion tons of CO2. At current rates, we could use that up in less than 10 decades. Now that's the problem. That brings us to the phrase net zero. What does net zero mean? Net zero means balancing the amount of greenhouse gases we emit with the amount we remove from the atmosphere. It simply means plus carbon dioxide minus carbon dioxide should be equal to zero. Net zero does not mean zero emissions. It means any emissions we do produce are cancelled out by things like planting trees, using carbon capture technology, restoring wetlands and forests. The goal for most countries aim to meet net zero by 2050 to avoid the most effects of climate change. How do they work together? Carbon budget tells us how much time is left. Net zero is the target we need to hit to stay within that budget.